Okay, so this is the result of my second lechon belly on my pellet smoker. Did have a little bit of a fire management issue, hence one side is darker than the other. Other than that, did turn out pretty good. The meat is very moist and juicy. Skin is very crunchy. So I would have to say I give it a 6 out of 10. Would have been close to a 9 out of 10 if it wasn't for the fire management issue on the left side. But it's on a new rotisserie that I built, installed on my latest pellet smoker build. Turned out pretty good. Roughly 350 degrees for about 2 hours or so. And as you can see, it turned out just beautifully moist and juicy on the inside and crunchy on the outside. So I'll try it again one other time. But that's it for now. Have a great day. Bye. Well, I just thought I'd show you the other end of that lechon belly. Perfectly crunchy and juicy inside. You can see all those juices coming out of there, but it's just perfect. All right, talk to you later. Bye.